I definitely like the look of it better. It looks sturdier instead of like the plastic and metal frames. I definitely like the wood frame.
But I am very impressed with the way it is built. They transport them. Well, if you stop and think about it, it went down the expressway that far, that fast. They get it to the job site and they didn't have to screw in one screw. After they got it here, there was zero damage.
The greenhouse, I have to say, is very sturdy, well built. That's part of why I chose it, was its construction when I saw it for sale.
They're very strong. The kit-built greenhouses that come kind of in pieces and you assemble them, they're made with a little bit less high-quality materials. The Yoderbilt greenhouse is built just like your house. It's built with 2x4 framing. You know, it's very sturdy. The design of the greenhouse itself makes it very strong, and then the way that they apply the panels and the metal trim that they put on that helps hold those panels in place really makes it sturdy.